Okay, this video is about adding Google Analytics to your ThemeJack websites. So we're in the dashboard and first check to see if there are any updates required and everything is up to date. And under ThemeJack Biz, you come down and here is a link for analytics. Okay, and the first one is to get your UA code, your tracking code. So I did a Google to find out how to get the tracking code, and here are the directions. Okay, so we will sign into the analytics account, and I'm already logged into my Gmail address. So hopefully it will sign me in with that same address. Okay, and here it's telling you what to do. Okay, so we'll sign up, because I don't yet have an analytics account for this Gmail address and this site. Okay, so here we are in the admin tab, and this is for a website. Looks like we can also make one for a mobile app, and we want to give the account a name, and I will give it the name of my website. And Google refers to a website as property because it's internet real estate. So the website name and the website URL, and you've got a Google doesn't have very much imagination when it comes to industry. So I guess this would be business and industrial markets. And this is the United States, and you want to select your time zone. And all of these things here that Google wants to help you with, just go ahead and leave those all checked off. Since Google recommends it, we'll go for it. Okay, and you really should take the time and read everything that's in here. And right now I'm not going to do that. I'm going to click on accept. Here is the UA tracking code. So I'm going to copy this and take it back to the site, the dashboard, and put it in the form there and submit. Okay. And I know that green bar means success, so I did a good job. Okay, now we go to advanced settings, and you click here and you can read the instructions on how to get your client ID authorization file. It's quite a few steps. So let's click here and take a peek. So you log into the API console, and here's a handy little link that will take you directly to the developer's console, because otherwise trying to figure this out on your own, forget it. Google is nothing if not complicated. Okay, they've given us a better console. Okay. So the first step is create a project. And you'll give it a name. Okay. And do you want updates regarding feature announcements, performance suggestions, feedback surveys, and special offers? I do not. But you must agree to the terms of service related with the API. So click on Create. And Google is working on something here. Okay, and up in the top right corner you can see this whirling going on. So Google is doing some creating. and when the whirling stops, you'll see just a solid color with a number in the middle. And the first thing you do is go to Google's social APIs and click on Google Plus API and enable. Okay, and we'll go back. And the second one is other popular APIs, Analytics API, and click on enable. Okay, and now we go to credentials. I have to configure the consent screen. Product name show to clients will be Local Biz PPC, Control C, and then I need the URL, and you have to put http:// or https. So whichever your domain name, whichever your domain is, if it's a secure site, then you must have the S. Now, if you have a logo connected with your website, you can put the logo URL. And we need also the privacy policy URL and terms of service. So let me go first to pages. Oh, and that's good that I'm seeing that because I need to set that up. Okay, so here is, which is that? That was privacy. So put the privacy policy URL there and go back, and terms of service. This is a new site, so Control C, terms of service. Now if I want to use this as my logo, I would then come to the media library, and here is the logo, and then just copy the URL here. Come back to the consent screen. So product logo, just washed my tongue, and then save. Okay, now this is the application type is a web application, and web client 1. Now here we put authorized JavaScript origins. It's http://localbizppc.com. So this is your web address, is the authorized JavaScript origin. Okay, and in the authorized redirect, you put this line here, and it's in the directions. Okay, and I'll put it up on the screen as well. Okay, and then click on create and create. Okay, and here is your client ID and your secret, and come over to the end of the row on the right hand edge and click on download, and save this someplace you'll remember where it is, and click save. So now we go back to our site and go back to ThemeJack Biz, Analytics, Advanced Settings, and choose file. And this was in downloads, and it was this today's date? It is. Cancel. Okay, so this is the client ID file, and click on submit and get access token. Visit your, okay, allow, select account, submit. Settings saved successfully. We are in business. So everything is set up, and if I can do it, you can do it. And that's it for this video.